bakiriza ne mulimu abantu mulimu abantu era buuza bakiriza basimba muddo. So guys, tuli Kasaawe. We have finally made it. Tuli Kasaawe. Omuddo guno bangambye okuyingirako mu muddo. Where am I? Oh, okay. We are at the stadium. I was going to say at the Kasaawe, but no, we are at the stadium. I am going to find out how many people it seats. They're building more seats over there. They are renovating the Kasaawe. Okay, let's have a look. They are renovating the stadium is Kasaawe. So for my viewers who are not from Uganda, if you hear me say Kasaawe, I mean the stadium. I literally mean the stadium. So these are supposed to be the bathrooms, I think, when it's fully done. Actually, no, this thing has been in news. I think they're just making it better, yeah? They're making it better. They're making the grass better. You see those guys over there? They are handling the grass. They're building, I think that should be parking space over there. Yeah. These are supposed to be the toilets, I think. Yeah. Yeah, when it finally gets finished, yeah? Yeah, most definitely. The toilets or the changing rooms or something. I think we have ladies and gentlemen. Most definitely changing rooms and washrooms and bathrooms and stadium, obviously. Where I stay, I can see these lights. Actually, these lights prompted me to come and see what's going on, because they were not there a month ago, I think. They've just put the lights. Those big lights, yeah, you know, the stadium floodlights and stuff. But yeah, ongoing renovation looks fantastic. Hello. Fine, how are you? Sorry? Banange, guys, they do not allow videos. They do not allow videos. So let me go up here and see how the stadium looks like. And then we get out of here, because they have just informed me that they do not allow videos here. But this is the stadium. This is how it looks like. This is the stadium. I will try and find out the seating capacity. I think they're trying to build it to be on the standard of a literal football stadium, yeah? Ongoing work over there. That should be the parking space, I think, that they're trying to beautify. I've just been informed I am not allowed to videograph the stadium. Okay, jokes aside, this is the stadium, still under renovation. I think when they officially open it, we'll be allowed to come officially. Fufa is in charge. I can see a signpost of Fufa somewhere, but for now they're still planting grass and trees. Yeah, you can see guys over there doing the grass work. Let's have a look. Guys over there fixing the grass. Then guys over there are fixing something. I think it's the parking or something. Okay. Where I am is where people sit when they've come to watch football. I think I'll be here for the grand opening. If I find out when the grand opening will be, I'll be here to capture it for you. Men at work. I think they're building more seats over there, just like I mentioned earlier. They're building more seats over there. Yeah. Amazing work though. I wanted to sit here for a bit, but it looks off. But this is it, guys. I'm going to find out more about it. how many people does it sit, or how many people is it supposed to sit. Waliwo askari wanajja mulaba alabika ayagala kumbuza why I'm filming, but this is it, people. Lovely, amazing, as you can see. Yeah, so when it opens, I'll let you know. I know is okay. Let me have a seat. Fufa is in charge. Fufa is Federation of Uganda's Football Association. I don't know. Yes, but this is it, guys. Inside the new stadium. So thank you, people, for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for breaking the rules with me, because as I mentioned, a video is not allowed. I don't even know how I'm getting away with this, but looks like I'm getting away with it. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If you're old and returning, thank you guys for being here. Please give me a like. You can share with your friends. Give me a like. Please subscribe. Share with your friends. Drop me a comment. I would like to hear from you. I think that's the engineer over there. They told me the engineer is coming. Hi, I think that is the engineer. Embalinze bangobe webanangoba content wanava omulungi kubanga kati alabika akyabulamu. But anyway, that's it, guys. Let me see what else I can get for you. Yeah, thank you for being here. It's going to be amazing though when it's finished, by the looks of it. You see, it's going to be wow. It's going to be amazing. Wow. When they finish it, I'll make sure I'm here for the grand opening. But mama, the roads that lead to it, the side, you've seen where I've passed, but now there is that other route as well. Maybe I should pass there as I go. But it looks off. Mola benfu. But I think they're going to work on the roads as well once they finish here, because how else are people going to access it? The road I used with the border guy was quite good, as you saw. Oh well, let's see. But for now, this is it. And I was all the time running in any kafaananyi matuganye dda naye tetuwulira, but let me go if I can take a picture of this sitting place. Yeah. So guys, I've just found out that the president will officially open in August, I think, or I hear. But yeah, videos are not allowed. Thank God we got a video. They've said they want it to be a surprise. They want it to be a surprise. That's why they're not allowing videos. But as you've seen inside, I wanted to go the other side and like get a view of the pavilion, but clearly we have failed at that mission. Anyway, I've heard that the boss is around, and when the boss is around, I was literally not even supposed to enter. I do not know how I entered, but I entered. But we'll be back next time. So guys, let me know if you want me to come again sometime. They told me it's a bit relaxed in the evening when the bosses have left, but during these hours, supervision is tight, things are tight. So let me know if you would want me to come back sometime and see if I can get the view from the other side, because clearly they are not opening anytime soon. August, do you know August? How many people it sits, I have no idea. I have literally not found out. So in case somebody knows how many people it sits, you could let us know. Naye mwe musooke mulabe wano. Lwaki tebaagulawo wano? Ntandise. But I think they'll work on the road. I used the other road as you saw when I was coming. So this is the road going back. I see these lights at my place where I stay. I see these lights. Prompted me to come. I had to see what was going on. Ntandise after 1 minute. Is it even a minute yet? Uh-oh. Somebody needs to exercise. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Oh, mama. Akasozi nakamalako. Hey, guys, the church is there. Namirembe Cathedral is over there. I think I should visit sometime as well and show you what goes on there. Now, walk with me, guys. Walk with me as I go to the main road to go back home. Oh, chinene no muchiraba mwe. Do you see? It is big. It's going to be massive when they finish. I'll come back sometime, I think. Sister told me evening time is not too tight. I'll come back sometime in the evening and just sit and chill. And you can catch the sunset because the sun falls over. Oh my! I need to exercise. What is this? Why am I breathing like this? After just coming from there, the sun falls over the other side, so it definitely has a beautiful sun-setting view in the evening. You know, again, this is the surrounding. This is the area. This is the area around, as you can see. Inga situka ku main road bannange Stadium tugireseyo. Oh, see the view. Mulabe ku nyumba banna. Yo, siro not Lungujja. That's still Mengo, I think. Mengo, but for good or Lungujja. See the view. See the houses. Oh, God. Guys, walk with me as I get to the main road. In case I faint as I'm walking, you will be the witness. I can't believe I'm breathing like this. Oh, but I think I'm almost there. Actually, from where I stay to here, the border ride was what, 3 minutes? But now walking would be a different case. The border ride though was just 3 minutes. Walking would be a different case. Oh, main road, main road, but there are roadworks everywhere. We literally have roadworks everywhere. Mengo is full of roadworks. Everywhere. All the roads in Kampala have diversions. A single Kwenyeza, you can drive paka, only to find road closed. I don't know why they don't put it at the beginning of the road that the road is closed. Oh God. So Rashida, Rashida, my friend, she always comments on my videos. She has an amazing channel. She challenged me to jump rope of 5,000. She has a video when she's skipping the rope 5,000 times, but nabaka motka naye namugambirawo nti eyo challenge sigenda kugisobola kubanga why am I walking why am I breathing like this? Guys, I'm dying, but I have reached the main road. I can't ngende waka. Anyway, guys, we are at the main road. This is the end of the video. Rashida challenged me to skip the rope. I am here to tell her that I will not skip the rope because my heart may stop. But anyway, let me walk home because it's just literally up there. Atambule mpola mpola nga tategedde paka wentuuke waka. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Let me walk small, slowly as I get back home. Thank you, people. See you in the next video.